This was a very interesting experience. So I went over to the stylist house. We sat through Mia Pro the day that it premiered, and this is how my braids turned out. As you can see, like in the front, like she kind of like went from the middle, and one of the braids was kind of sitting a little bit to the side, but I ended up taking them out after a couple weeks because I just wasn't completely satisfied. But this is what they look like. But I probably will have like another stylist do these exact same braids, but do it a little bit different than how she braided it, because it was extremely painful. So I didn't keep them in that long at all. But these were the braids. Let me know what you think.